Greetings, salutations. Well, hey, I got the drawer faces on. Well, look at that. I might try to make these things work over on the side. Ramps. Anyway, kind of like the way these things work. If I can make those work, then I'll use those. I have them. Otherwise, I'm going to have to look for an alternative. Now, what am I going to do next? I don't know. Sounds like, at least out here, there's some be changes coming up with the store and the essential. Anyway, the world's lost its fucking mind. By the time you see this, you'll have seen all the latest Death Valley adventure stuff that we did, and towards the end of the month, last month, we went and spent the day up in Death Valley, up in the Panamint Mountains, visited 5 different locations. That weekend, my son and I went to the Mojave Reserve and stayed at one of those volunteer cabins overnight. That was a good adventure. And as of the time of this recording, the Mojave Preserve is still open, but Death Valley isn't. I just don't know how you could close a national park of that size. You can't shut the roads because the roads are the only way from one side of the Death Valley to the other. Anything that involves any people is closed. So we can't go there no more. It is what it is, I guess. I just hope this shit's over with sooner or later. I ordered a set of tires. Sorry for the wind noise. When did I order them tires? 2 days ago? Did we go anywhere yesterday? No. I ordered them Friday. They weren't supposed to be here till the 13th. Look at that. Langalong Crosswind. Are they the right freaking size? 235, 70, 16. Would you look at that? They're the right size even. You might be saying, well, Langalong, those sound Chinese. And I think they're actually Korean. Let's see. They should say, made in Thailand. They're not Chinese, they're made in Thailand. And you might ask yourself, well, why'd you get those tires? Well, I got a whole set for $300. I got a set of tires for $300. Do you have any experience with those tires? As a matter of fact, I do. Right there on the old Bourbon. Langalong Crosswind ATs. But I had this tire. This is one of those junkyard tires. If you're new here and you don't remember, I bought this set of wheels. This set of wheels here. At the junkyard because those are some pretty good tread. And for $40 a piece, why not? Well, the 2 that were on the front of that Jeep at the junkyard were these same tires, right? And then the 2 on the back were considerably worn. So I bought the 2 good ones, one of these bald ones, and this one, which is a Goodyear Wrangler HP Highway Performance. This one had pretty good tread on it, but it is dickered now. I don't know, can you see the bulge in the tire? And when we came back from, you can see the tread separation there. Ooh. So I just wanted to get another couple of destination ATs, but by the time I got 2 of those at $140 or $150 a piece plus shipping, I get a whole set. So I went and got the whole set. The place where I go to get my tires mounted and balanced, where I can get them mounted and balanced for $15 a piece, they're closed. So I am going to mount them myself. It's a pain in the ass, but it can be done. You want to see? Okay. that's how you put a tire on a wheel by hand. So I'll break down that Goodyear for you. Go grab my keys right quick and turn the Jeep around and I'll swap these tires out. That's what I'll do. always torque your nuts. Anyway. All right, after you put your new wheels on, this is especially important with alloy wheels. Drive at 50, 100 miles, retorque your lug nuts, and do it again after 500 miles. You should be good. And I'm gonna do the other two, but I won't bore you with that. We'll come back after it's done, and I'll show you the end results. Well, there you go. Crosswind, Ling Long Crosswind ATs. Pretty good tread pattern, I think. And they worked good on theirs. And they're cheap. And they're not from China. Okay. So tomorrow I'll run that through the car wash. What else am I going to do this coming week? Well, I'm going to continue to work on the bus. This thing, just give you a little update on this. I pulled this back in the driveway here because when I did the brake job last year, I neglected to adjust the brake shoes to this drum. And when I was trying to bleed the brakes a while back, put that link up there, I ended up pushing, I put a new wheel cylinder and everything in this, and I ended up pushing the piston out of the wheel cylinder. So I had to take that back apart and put everything back together, put the piston back in the wheel cylinder, and now I gotta bleed that side. I've adjusted the brakes, I'll put the tires back on. And the other thing I was doing, when I was moving this thing, I noticed a clunk, clunk, clunk coming from the drive line. Oh great, you know, something broke again. So I pulled it into the driveway. I had it up on jack stands. I ran it in high gear, and it sounded like someone was banging on a drive shaft. So I got underneath and looked, and oh, the U-joint was a little bit sloppy. It wasn't terrible, but it was a little bit sloppy. And I know that U-joint's at least 21 years old, because I've owned this truck since 1999. So I went ahead and I changed the U-joint, and that tightened up that rear drive shaft a little bit. But then I got to looking at it, and I think there's something in that overdrive unit that's broke. One of the planet gears got a chip in it or something. So I'm gonna pull that back out. The overdrive unit, I'm gonna pull that out and just put the transmission back together the way it was without an overdrive, and I'll put the overdrive up on the shelf and save that for another day when, I don't know, maybe I'll just rebuild it and sell it. Oh, there she is. I can't do anything with a Suburban until that bird hatches her chick or abandons her nest, whichever comes first. Anyway, enough of my jaw jacking. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't done so, I'd like to invite you at this time to click the subscribe button and the little bell icon that's right next to it, so YouTube will let you know next time I upload a video. If you like this video, hammer away that like button and share this video with your vast social media network if you don't mind. That helps the channel a lot. If you want to support this channel financially, you can check the links in the description. There's links to Amazon affiliate links, PayPal, and Patreon. Check those out and see if that's something you're interested in. Excuse me. No, it's not the corona. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves and the people that you love, and look out for your fellow man. Until next time, bye.